Hi guys, oh, what is up YouTube? So today I will make second lathe. So this is my second lathe. I will make this. So this one I use for lathe bed. So I use two pieces of metals. I just put on together. So this metal and this size 100 millimeters and this side 200 millimeters. So I will use two pieces joined together, and then I will make the holes around here and the hole around here, and then I will use another metal. I just put only on this side and this side, and then I will use the plate metal put on it. So this is my new lathe. So why I make the new lathe like this? Because my old homemade lathe, it's work very good, but the size very small. So otherwise, when I try to use the big plate metal, it's not enough. So right now I decide make a new one here, uh, new second lathe. So this is my first time. So I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you can see what happened I do, or I happy and share my second lathe. I think it is enough time for me. I mean, like I can say like more experience than the first one. The first one I make it. That's me. I never made before. So this is I think have some wrong what I did, what I expect. So right now this is my second home lathe. I will try the best. I will try the best than the first one, because the first one looks good, but the problem is very small. It's very small. So this is bigger than, and this is the length here is 140 centimeters. 140 centimeter. This is longer than the previous lathe. The previous lathe is only 1 meters. So the 1 meters is very small, not enough. So right now I will make this one much better than. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching.